There's a severe thunderstorm watch. This thing took forever to start, but we've already got an SVA.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 348, effective until 7 p.m. This watch includes the following county: Clinton, Iowa.
What? That's it?
Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
That was quick. Was not expecting an SVA to be issued this early. Here it is. SVA 349. No, 34. Hang on. Severe thunderstorm watch. Brand new.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 350, effective until 11 p.m. This watch includes the following.
It's only a matter of time before this happened.
Boone, Vero, Carroll, Lee, Marshall, Ogle, Stevenson, Whiteside, Winnebago, and Woodford, and the following counties.
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
Green,
There it is. We've seen that.
Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds.
I was prepared. I stopped recording and then I got it. What do you want? I am but. Oh, it's that. Okay, fine.
Rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
It's only a matter of time before this happened. Only a matter of time, SPC. FFW. FFW on KZZ 56. Knew something was going to come up.
The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a flash flood warning for northern Joe Davies County, north central
Tune into KZZ 56 for good reason.
Until 10:15 p.m. Thursday. At 4:14 p.m., Doppler radar indicated that 2 to 2.5 inches of rain has fallen over the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expect flooding of rural creeks, streams, and urban areas. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms, flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flooding include Dubuque, Galena, Asbury, Cascade, Epworth, East Dubuque, Farley, Piasta, Elizabeth, Woodbine, Scales Mound, Holy Cross, Apple River, Limont, Menominee, Rickardsville, Sherrill, Council Hill, St. Donatus, and Centralia. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. This includes the following streams and drainages: Otter Creek, Clear Creek, Galena River, Johns Creek, Coon Creek.
These warnings are always so long.
Creek,
the FFWs, I should say.
Mill Creek, Furnace Creek, Smallpox Creek, North Fork Catfish Creek, Prairie Creek, Rush Creek, Haberton Creek, North Fork Mycopina River, Buncombe Creek, Helms Branch, Mississippi River, Bakers Creek, Lost Creek, Bortz Creek, Farmers Creek, Lily Branch, Karen Branch, Plum River, Cloy Branch, Granger Creek, and Leisure Creek. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 10:15 p.m. The National
The warning cut off. It was so long. Right as I was getting ready to go downstairs, it's a severe thunderstorm warning. Well, that was quick. Now what's IAMBot telling me?
The National Weather Service in the Quad
There it is.
Cities has issued
I was going downstairs, then I heard this.
Western Joe Davies County, northwestern Jackson County, southeastern Dubuque
I think this FFW and SVR, I think they were less than 2 minutes apart.
At 4:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Zwingle, or 8 miles south of Dubuque, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dubuque, Galena, Asbury, Bellevue, East Dubuque, Piasta, Limon, Menominee, Council Hill, St. Denetis, Centralia, Sageville, Bernard, Swingville, Durango, Bryce, Graff, Dubuque Regional Airport, Gary Owen, and Aiken. Take cover now. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Okay.
You're listening.
This is a severe thunderstorm warning. If it's not, I don't know what is. Okay, good. Don't go all static.
The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Rock Island County, western Mercer County, Louisa County, south central Cedar County, Muscatine County until 6 p.m. At 5:08 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Conesville to Morning Sun, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Muscatine, Wapello, Columbus Junction, Wilton, Fruitland, Morning Sun, Millersburg, New Boston, Grandview, Collinsville, Eliza, Joy, Lex, Atalissa, Oakville, Toolsboro, Illinois City, Mannion, Fredonia, and Cranston. This includes Interstate 80 in Iowa between mile markers 267 and 273. Take cover now. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Tornado warning! Let's go! Tornado warning! My first TOR since May 23rd.
Cedar County, north central Muscatine County, until 6 p.m. At 5:19 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Atalissa, or 11 miles southeast of West Branch, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Expected hazards include tornado. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Wilton around 5:30 p.m. Then at around 5:40 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Moscow, Bennett Park, and Sunbury. This includes Interstate 80 in Iowa between mile markers 265 and 278. Take cover now. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa, Cedar, and Muscatine.
My first tornado warning catch since May 23rd, 2020. Insane. A severe thunderstorm warning just got issued, but it's not relaying. I'm on the right station, right? See? DVN issues severe thunderstorm warning. Tornado possible. Wind 60 miles per hour. Hail 0.75 inch. For Henderson, Mercer, Warren, Des Moines, Louisa. 6:45. I don't know why it's not relaying. Like, honestly, why is it not relaying? Yeah, there it is. Why am I not getting the tones? There it goes. Really late. The Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
northeastern Henderson County, northern Warren County, southern Mercer County, northeastern Des Moines County, southeastern
Okay, good. I didn't miss it this time. Thank God.
At 6:06 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Keithsburg to Gladstone, moving northeast at 20 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Monmouth, Aledo, Oquawka, Burgess, Viola, Kirkwood, Keithsburg, Little York, Biggsville, Gladstone, Rosetta, Seton,
Took a long time to relay.
Alexis, Ball Bluff, Dearborn.
What's it telling me? Oh, doubleheader incoming. Doubleheader incoming. Oh, it's for me. It's for me.
Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
It's going to issue another one here. Here we go. There it is. Severe thunderstorm warning. This one's for me.
The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Rock Island County, northeastern Mercer County, west central Whiteside County,
That's not me.
Henry County,
Never mind.
County, northeastern Muscatine County, southern Clinton County, until 7 p.m. At 6:09 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Graham Mountain near Inlet, moving east at 20 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Davenport, Moline, Rock Island, Bettendorf, Clinton, East Moline, Silvis, Eldridge, DeWitt, Kelowna, Milan, Comanche, LeClaire, Coal Valley, Hampton, Orion, Fort Byron, Walcott, Bluegrass, and Buffalo.
Holy cow.
This includes the following highways: Interstate 74 in Iowa between mile markers 1 and 5. Interstate 80 in Iowa between mile markers 283 and 306.
What now?
Interstate 80 in Illinois.
Chicago?
1 and 10.
Oh, significant weather advisory. Okay, fine. Whatever. I don't care.
Interstate 88 between mile markers 1 and 3. Interstate 280 between mile markers 1 and 18. Take cover now. Continuous cloud to ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Doubleheader. That was fun.